You gotta take that beer can out, alright?
Okay. Let's see. Let's try. Let's wait.
She should be ready to rock and roll. Just gotta take her off safety. Make the first shot count, alright?
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm... Damn, you got it! You got it! You took that... Oh, dude, I wish I had another one. It exploded, huh?
I did it!
Yeah. So, you one shot, one kill. You assassinated the beer...
I'm a good sniper.
Huh?
I'm a good sniper.
Shooting an AR-15.
Yes.
Let me get behind you and see.
What's that?
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, I don't know if I did it good.
He's pretty good at it. That's it. You're out.
Oh, thank you. I think I'm
Go
good.
get your beer can.
Oh,
Yeah.
look what I did to the with the beer can. I'm sorry. I can't drink you. That's why I have to shoot you. Now you're dead.
You put him right. Look where the bullet hole went after you shot it right there.
Yes.
And
So this is what it.
Yeah, you kept the
Here.
close pattern.
It's only there. And also
So it's
here,
a little
here.
low, the scope, so if you bring it up a little bit. But it's off, right in the back of the truck. You ready to try fully auto?
To what?
The full automatic.